Remove all supplies and the printer from the box. Remove the plastic from around the printer. Remove the black ink bottle from its packaging. Unscrew the cap. Remove the seal and throw it away, and then screw the cap back on. Open the ink tank lid and then remove the black ink tank plug. Open the black ink bottle cap. Turn the bottle upside down and set it on the ink tank spout. Without squeezing, allow the bottle to fill the ink tank. When the ink approaches the maximum fill line, remove the bottle and close the cap. The bottle will have some ink remaining, which should be kept upright and stored for future use. Reinstall the black ink tank plug. Repeat the filling process for cyan, magenta and yellow, using all the ink in each bottle. Close the ink tank lid. Remove the warning sticker from the top of the printer. Open the front door and remove the blue tape and cardboard. Open the printhead access door and remove the blue tape and cardboard. Close the printhead access door and front door. Plug the power cord into the printer and a wall outlet and then press the power button. Open the front and printhead access doors. With the carriage in the center, turn the orange handle clockwise. Push down on the blue latch to open it. Remove the orange plastic piece and throw it away. Remove the tricolour printhead from its package. Remove the orange plug and then remove the plastic tape. Avoid touching the contacts or ink nozzles. Touching these can result in clogs, ink failure and bad electrical connections. Hold the tricolour printhead by its sides and slide it into the left slot until it snaps into place. Repeat this process to install the black printhead in the right slot. Push down firmly on the blue latch to close it. Close the printhead access door and the front door. Press and hold the power and resume buttons for 3 seconds to begin priming your printer. Load plain white paper into the input tray and adjust the guide. Finish setting up your ink tank printer by visiting 123.hp.com on your mobile device or computer.